good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 11 from verse 24 to verse 28. When demon come back. When one wicked spirit come out of somebody, it go through desert and look place for rest. When not find no way, it say, me a turn back, go to the house where me left. When it catch back, it find say the house sweep clean and everything neat and tidy. The demon see that and go find 7 more spirits where worse than him and the whole of them go live there. In the long run, the man a go worse off than before. The people them were really blessed. Same time Jesus attack, one woman in the crowd bawl out. The woman will bring you into the world and will take care of you. Really blessed. Jesus answer and say, the people them will hear God's word and do it say, and them really blessed. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.